Read reviews that most people are talking about Rfiver universal floor speaker stands for surround sound. The features by video introduce the latest products YouTube channel would like to recommend are as follows. Perfect fit for your speakers. Rfiver's speaker stand system is designed to seamlessly match your daily audio experience. It's universally compatible with popular speaker brands like Klipsch, Sony, Bose, Vizio, Samsung, Yamaha, Edifier, Polk, and more. The square glass top plate, measuring 7.8 inch, comes equipped with rubber pads to offer the stability to your speaker. Rock-solid stability and surface protection. Our floor speaker stands, crafted from premium alloy steel and an 11.81-inch glass base, offer the stability to your speaker. You can choose from two types of foot pads, metal feet and rubber feet, to ensuring your cherished carpet or floor without scratches and provide more stability. Strong construction ensures support for speaker weighing up to 22 pounds, while other stands can only handle a fraction of that weight, capping at 11 pounds. Easy assembly in 15 minutes. We've simplified the assembly process for you. Our monitor speaker stands includes all the necessary components and detailed installation instructions. Unlike similar speakers stand, we've simplified the assembly process by eliminating complex height adjustment modules. Just follow the instructions, tighten a few screws, you can effortlessly complete the assembly. Elegant design and wire management. Our heavy-duty speaker stands boasts a sleek design that blends with any decor style. Whether your home is modern or classic, or if you're considering placement in the living room, bedroom, music room, or even outdoors, our product harmonizes beautifully in any setting. Our monitor speaker stand feature a 27-inch pole with two large holes, allowing you to thread your speaker wires cleanly and keep them in order. Say goodbye to messy wires. This video create by video introduce the latest products YouTube channel. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.